Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple side hustle that has the potential to make you anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 a month by simply working a few hours a week. Now, I'm sharing this with you because this is something that I've tried myself, and I can tell you with all of the confidence in the world that it works. Now, this simple side hustle is landing page building. If you're able to build landing pages that are used for businesses to sell products, to collect leads, and to generate sales, and to make money, they're willing to pay you this amount just for that benefit. Now, for watching this, chances are that you are not where you want to be financially, and you could use a couple $100 extra every single month. Now, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It's going to require some work from you. So if you apply yourself diligently to what I'm about to share with you in this video, you can accomplish that. As you can see on my screen right here, these are projects I completed for clients paying me $1,400, $1,455, $1,400 again, and here again. Now, these are invoices that I sent clients and that were successfully paid from doing the same side hustle, from simply helping them to build landing pages and funnels for their business. Now, what is a landing page and why is it that valuable? Why are people willing to pay that much for you to simply help them build landing pages? Landing pages are essential to businesses. They allow businesses to sell products, to generate leads, and they are much more effective than websites simply because they only have one purpose, which is any of the three things that I mentioned, which is to promote something, to sell products, to generate leads, and to help the business ultimately make more money. The reason why businesses go for landing pages is simply because it is easier to build and it has just one job: to help them make more money. And the great thing is, you do not have to be a tech genius in order to be able to build landing pages. You don't have to be able to write code or be proficient with WordPress or any of these programming languages in order to build landing pages. I do not know how to write programming languages. I took some HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript course about 4 years ago, and that's about all the knowledge that I have. But if you can master one or two platforms that I will mention in this video, you can definitely do this. And there's a ton of people out there who will pay for you to help them build high-converting landing pages. So the real question is, how much can you realistically make from building landing pages for businesses? Realistically, you can earn anywhere from $300 to $1,500 per project. If you can add on some additional services like maintenance of these landing pages, maybe you want to consult with them on how to get the best out of the landing pages, how to set up sales funnels, email marketing, this can help bump the price up to say $2,000. But realistically, from one project, you can earn anywhere from $300 to $1,500, which from example that I've showed you earlier, I was able to do. Now, what is the simple roadmap to get started building landing pages for businesses and getting paid for it? One, you want to master one or two platforms, and I always recommend you go with the most popular ones. The ones I recommend is one I talk about a lot on this channel, and that is System.io. Another one is Go High Level, and the reason why I recommend System.io and Go High Level, first let me begin with System.io. The ease of use of System.io is unmatched by any platform, and coupled with the fact that they have the cheapest prices on the market means that even if you have no money, you can get started with the free plan, which allows you to build 3 landing pages and set up automations for completely free and gather up to 1,000 emails for free. Is something that I love so much. And by just playing around on System.io, you can easily master the basics and start building landing pages, which will convert really well for businesses. The second software that I recommend is Go High Level. Now, Go High Level is a little bit on the advanced side, but Go High Level has pretty much all of the marketing tools that any business needs to succeed online. They have the landing page builder, they have the email marketing, they have text messaging, they have social connections, meaning you can connect to your social media, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and manage all of your messaging from within the platform. They also offer communities, courses, memberships, pretty much anything you need to run a business online, you will get it on Go High Level. The only downside to that is if you're just getting started, you will need to pay $97 every single month to get the most basic plan. And within this most basic plan, they have everything you need to start building ad landing pages for businesses. So these are the two softwares I recommend that you master and get started with today. Now, you might be wondering, what does a high converting landing page really look like? I'm always a fan of keeping things simple. For example, this guy right here, Mike Scully, is a guy that I met on Twitter, is doing really well, doing the exact same thing that I'm talking about in this video. In the last 1 year, Mike Scully has earned over $250,000 just building landing pages for businesses. Now, this is a guy that is apparently proficient with landing pages, and you can see what his own landing pages looks like. Now, this is Mike Scully's landing page where he teaches people the art of freelancing by building landing pages for people. Now, as you can see, the landing page is pretty easy, simple. It has one heading: supercharge your remote freelance business. The future of freelancing is here. Now, it has one video sales letter where it talks about this program, the benefits of it, and how people can get the most out of it. Now, it goes on to include testimonials, which is where people really miss out when they are building landing pages. You want to include as much social proof as possible. Then it goes to writing a long sales letter talking about where it was, how it got here, and how this program works. Now, it has two offers: the accelerator and the inner circle, and that is all coming after giving value and telling people what they can find in his program. Now, he introduces himself, Mike Scully, the coach and founder. It took him 1 month to make $50, took him 1 month to hit $3,000, took him 1 month to hit $10K, and took him 2 months to hit $20K a month. Now, this is what a single landing page looks like. This is what people need. This is what businesses need, individuals, brand owners who want to sell online. Now, this is the entire skeleton of a high converting landing page. So how do you start getting clients for your business? There are two ways to do it: inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Outbound is probably the easiest way to get started with, simply because you control how soon or how fast you get clients. And you can do that by starting with cold emailing or cold DMing people on social media. Like Mike Scully, who is active on Twitter, he started by building out his own personal brand on Twitter and started DMing people who he thinks might be interested in his service. Now, you have to do a lot of this in order to get someone to actually trust you, to actually pay you to build a landing page for them. But if you want to go the route that I love so much, which is inbound, it is by creating a personal brand on the internet, but having people reach out to you by just sharing your story, sharing your knowledge, creating value for other people. The way that I gained my first few clients when I got started is by creating content on the internet. I love YouTube so much, and I advocate that anyone who has a brand, a product, a service to sell or to offer needs to start creating content. I started by offering valuable content to people, and after a while, people started reaching out to me, booking calls with me, and I would take them through an entire sales process, get on a free consulting call with them to see if we're the right match. And in that call, I will present to them my offer, and if they are a good fit, then I onboard them and start working together. So these are the two ways to gain clients in order to sell your product or to sell your service. I know this is sort of like an oversimplification of the entire process, but trust me, it is that easy. You just have to be diligent and stick to this for at least 3 to 6 months. Now, you can go download the resource that I have in the description. One is the high converting landing page checklist, which will give you everything you need to know about building high converting landing pages. And you can check out the other resource that I have in there if you want to get started to build and grow a sustainable online business. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. You take it out. Bye.